Hi, I will guide you to use the box plots menu of several types. This menu aims to see the distribution of quantitative data based on the other qualitative data. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I used to upload data with an Iris CSV file. You can get this Iris CSV data by clicking Download Iris CSV. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step is to click the Graphs menu and then select the Box Plot submenu. A display like this will appear. Make sure to select several in the type box plots. Then select the quantitative variable in the Select Variable section and the qualitative variable in the Several by section. For example, I selected the sepal length variable in the Select Variable section and selected the variety variable in the Several by section. The data can be viewed by clicking Show Data. Then it will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, the results will appear like this, namely the plot display. In the box plots, there are three features, namely the diagram title input feature, label input on the x-axis, and label input on the y-axis. To select these features, click the gear icon in the upper right corner. A sidebar box will appear. For example, I input my several box plots in the input title on charts. Then, on the input title of X, I input variety. At the input title of Y, I input value. Then the next step is to click Run again. Then it will appear like this. To save plots, please select the camera icon like this. Then a download plot as PNG will appear. Please click, then the plot will be downloaded. Well, those are the steps to use the Grabs menu for box plots of several types.